goodbye, my friend. You have been the one. You have been the one for me.
And his name is John C.
I don't fuck with you. You little stupid ass bitch, I ain't fucking with you.
Hold up. Hey, for my niggas who be thinking we soft, we don't. My God. Gotta go fast. Wow, was that aliens? Here.
It was at this moment that Nathan knew. He fucked up.
Don't let him get
In their tongue, he is Dovahkiin, Dragonborn.
Here's Jesus!
I came in like a wrecking ball.
Closing in on a victory here. He's got ropes.
That's the sound of the police!
Do a barrel roll!
That's enough what you want? Oh, shit!
No, God! No, God, please, no!
What the fuck?
Oh my
Where can I take you?
Now I'm gonna have to discipline you, and you know how I feel about that.
Thank you, my girl. Thank you. You are the daughter I never wanted. Seriously, I mean that, huh? Liberation has done much for your gender. I honor your boundless fertility of imagination.
Holy shit.
The fuck? What the fuck?
Nope. 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 Nope.
Nope. Nope. Nope. Nope. Nope. Nope. Nope.
Fuck! I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. You like to move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to.
What's wavy, baby? Holla at me.
As it stands, we've got an opportunity to mint some serious coin.
What the fuck?
Oh, hey, babe.
Come on, man.
Cause you had a bad day. You take it one.
He did what we all must learn to do.
Do a barrel roll.